because nowadays generation is not good, and they are going on a wrong way.
Mother-in-law said that I will eat this food, and father-in-law said that I will eat this food. But what about daughter-in-law?
Wow.
She just cooking and she's busy in cooking food. And
I'm supporting nuclear just because of my perspective, and my concern is there just to save the relation.
If we have elder in our home like grandmother or grandfather, so in my eyes it's not restriction way.
So when you are living with the different people, definitely their mind will be different.
Fathers allow us or mother allow us. No, we are mother or we are father of your father.
Joint family is a large family and undivided family.
If you don't have the shade of your elders and upon you, so it is a very big disadvantage. First of all is that
no one asks you like why are you going, where are you going. Only your parents have to ask anything. What?
You are saying that you are mature, but if you are matured, then why? You said that.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, who has created 7 earth and 7 skies, in fact, who has created everything, who is the master of life and death, in fact, who is the master of everything, who only has the ability to do everything. All the praise and thanks be to Allah. Well guys, today our topic is joint family versus nuclear family. So who all are supporting joint family? Raise your hand. Okay, that's good, fine. And who are supporting nuclear family? You 3. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, so first introduce yourself one by one and put your just one opinion. Then we'll move, okay?
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Mohammad Kashan, and today I'm here to talk about at the topic nuclear family or joint family. And I'm supporting nuclear family because I think that to save the relations and to save, for not being hurtful for anyone, you have to create little bit distance, and it's will be helpful for saving your relation and for saving the love in your heart with your relation. So that's why I'm supporting nuclear family. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Iman, and here I'm from Grade Metric. So we are debating a topic on nuclear family versus joint family. So I am supporting nuclear family just because actually a nuclear family is in my opinion is a peaceful family. Because there's no restrictions, there are no someone that doesn't judge you, doesn't compare you with others, and as well there's a maintained family and a very peaceful family that everyone should require.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Latifullah. I like a joint family. Yeah. Joint family is a large family and undivided family.
Nuclear family. So you are not supporting nuclear family, you are supporting joint family. Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi subhanallahil azim. My name is Nadeem Ahmad. I personally believe that I support joint family because in joint family a large family is living in under one roof.
Very nice, good.
Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Marik Khanam, and I support joint family because as from my perspective, if we have relation and we are living with each other, so we can help in everything. That's why I support joint family.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rabia. I live in Gulshan Iqbal, and I am here to speak English language course for 1 month. Our today's topic is joint family versus nuclear family. In my point of view, nuclear family is better than joint family because in nuclear family you have to right and freedom to do anything you want if that right for you, and no one asks you like why are you going, where are you going. Only your parents have to ask anything what you do, and like that you have to improve yourself in nuclear family. So nuclear family is better?
So the most crucial point I want to put in this debate is that, our grandparents. If we are living in a joint family, our grandparents also compare us with other children. They demotivate us. Also, there are some toxic grandparents that allows you to very in a not proper way. So, and they are also they also put you in the stress. They also put you in the that this child is much better than you, and you should do some home chores rather than yes, competition as well. So this should be quite in this generation, because disturbance, yes, misunderstandings and disturbance, yes, and the person should be facing many problems, but they not be telling their parents or their grandparents, but they keep demotivating, and and by this, there in houses many obstacles occurs.
Very nice. Please give the mic. Okay, so you mean to say that in joint family there are so many people, they discourage you a lot when you are doing something. They ask you a lot, where are you going, and especially like the way they ask you that why are you doing this, and then the way they discourage you. So when you are living with the different people, definitely their mind will be different. So this is really important point. Okay, now who wants to say something? Okay.
Okay, first of all, I want to share my perspective that why I'm supporting nuclear family. I don't believe that you have in a nuclear family you are if you are feeling that you are free and you have freedom. So first of all, I don't agree with that. This is not the advantage. This is a very big disadvantage, because if you don't have the shadow of your elders and upon you, so it is a very big disadvantage. First of all, is that. So, but of course, I'm also supporting nuclear family. So the point which compelled me to support this, this side, is that because I am at the elder age than you, so that's why my thought and my statement will be different from you. You are talking about your age and about your freedom. If your mother, your father will taunt you and will scold you at any topic or any activities, of course you will feel that I should be alone. But I don't think so. I strongly believe that most of the things, when you become elder, when you get matured, so you have your own perspective and your parents have another perspective.
So now who wants to convince? Yes, I think you want to say something. Yes, please.
In my point of view, the great example when women gave birth in hospital. On that time, grandparents come there and support the girl, support the woman. This is it is very important. Joint family is better than nuclear family.
Okay, wow, great. Okay, now who wants to say something? Yes, okay, cool. Now it sounds like debate, you are now...
Okay, first of all, I want to clear one thing, that if I'm supporting nuclear family, and when we talk about nuclear family, it doesn't mean that to break the relation with your family, no?
Wow, great.
It doesn't mean.
This is a really point.
So first, my just point is that if you feel that your relation is getting difficult, and your relation there is the quantity of love is getting reduced day by day in your heart regarding your elder brother or father or mother, so just bring a little bit distance from them, and then just a minute, just bring a distance in order to set the relation. It means that nuclear family, I don't think so. And if you are living at this distance, if let's suppose I'm living at the distance with my brother, it doesn't mean that he's my enemy and I break all the relation with him. Of course, when I'm in trouble, he will come, and when he will trouble, I will go for him. First of all, clear that thing. Thank you so much.
Yes, please.
Sometimes we think about that if we want to save relationships, so we should live separate in a separate family, but it's not, because when we live separate family, I saw many times, so it's not save relationship. In fact, we forget relations sometimes, not sometimes, it almost I saw that peoples are living in a separate family, like a nuclear family, so they forget our relationships. And nowadays it's common. I want to say to Iman, she said about elders, in my experience, if we have elder in our home, like grandmother or grandfather, so in my eyes, it's not restriction way. If we have elders and grandmother or grandfather, so we can learn from their experience, and they can teach, if we have grandmother or grandfather, so I am I get matured in so young age, and I saw that type of peoples, if they have elders, grandfather, grandmother, they get mature, they got mature. And also in my family, that type of peoples, and I'm not that type of, because I didn't have my grandfather or grandmother, that's why.
She wants to. Yes.
Okay, I'm against you because you are saying that you are mature, but if you are matured, then why
I said I'm
you
not.
said that you are
No, I said
matured.
I'm not. I
You are
didn't
not
have.
mature.
No, I'm not too
Okay,
mature.
okay. She's not mature. Okay.
Okay,
So,
if you are matured or not matured, so you are in an age that you know what's good or what's bad. So sometimes we go into the wrong track, but some toxic grandparents also doesn't allow us to go outside. But we know our good. If we are going even for study on a for friend's place, they just demotivated. Why are you going? You should study in home. Yeah.
yeah, this is a
Yes.
very good point.
Yes. But if you are going, to create a group study, but no, you should study home. Why are you going? Who allowed you? We said our fathers allow us, or mother allow us. No, we are mother. We are father of your father. So you should stay home and study at your home.
And also there is a gap between the generation. Like
Yes. So, yes, also.
Quite different from us. Now we have different things. Yes,
So
please.
obviously generation has changed,
Yes,
and
right.
it's the generation of AI, and it's the generation of technology. They have a mindset of old, so they consider that just turning off the light, and they also said that we study in a lamp. Yeah,
Yes.
but obviously we are in a generation that many of the people has put us into the many difficulties, pressure, expectations from parents as well, and by this children suffers. Their parents doesn't know, or their grandparents didn't know how the children is suffering, how the children is
Difficulties they are facing.
yes,
Yes.
how the children is going out through the studies. So it's a major point that I have kept here.
Wonderful. Now I would like to start. And now this is a kind of dilemma that if we live with the joint family, we have so many difficulties. Sometimes we have quarrels. Sometimes we have a fighting with the different relations. So if we live with with the nuclear family, we have different problems. So what should we do? Yes.
Okay, first of all, I would like to answer Miss Maria's perspective. So, first of all, let me put the light on the relation. If you are talking about cousins, brother, and uncles, aunties, of course they will definitely forget you, But if when we talk about the blood relation, our father, mother, definitely they will come when we call them in a in a hard situation. Second thing is that I want to say on Iman's perspective that if you think that differentiate of theory, I think.
Iman is in your favor.
Yeah, I'm in favor, but yeah, I said na there. First of all, if I am talking about nuclear family.
go against you guys.
No against it, but
Don't worry.
actually there's two different things. First, I'm supporting nuclear just because of my perspective, and my concern is there just to save the relation, and just to don't be what should I say that
Okay,
negative.
may I ask you
Don't
a
be
question?
negative.
May I ask you a question?
Yeah.
If you give me the mic, please. Okay, I have found some of the different problems living with nuclear family. Number one is that if we live in a nuclear family, so what happens? Gradually our relation go stale. Okay, slowly we do not pay attention a lot. When there is a marriage ceremony, when there is a special occasion, then we invite our very close relatives. Are you getting my point? But the second point is that there are so many things that when we are getting separate, what about the parents? Who will take care of the parents? Like there are four sons, okay, and they all have got married. What about the parents? Where will they go? This is my question to the nuclear family participant. Where will parents go?
Question that who will support the parents and who will take care of them. So actually, sir, the problem is that when we talk about after married life, so at that time that we discuss about the nuclear family, and when at that time when we think about nuclear family, even before this time everybody was living, and even I have been living with my family for a long time, and I don't in joint family for a long time, and I don't have any issue. But yeah, but after married life, when you will have another personality in your no, I'm
Then even then you're supporting, I think this is the work of, a girl, that she creates so many, situation that we should live separate, leave your parents.
Actually, sir, no,
I don't want to say that.
I am supporting nuclear because if a female thing like that, so of course when I will come from office after my marriage, so she will eat my brain, na?
Yes.
So your mother did like this, your father, your brother did me with this.
Yes,
So,
we need a lot.
so when I will be,
You will have double problem.
yeah, I will be exhausted, and I will be, like a bomb. So then at that time, I have to realize, okay, if you have to problem with my family, so yeah, in order to save the take some distance, but not to break the relation. I have to love.
Wonderful. Now I would like anyone else to say something. Yes, please. Yes.
I want to ask something to you. Okay, if you had like joint family in joint family, if you have your wife and your child and your parents, just that type of joint family, and there is like too much get fighting, like get some mess up creation. So would you like to live separate without your parents?
Oh, wonderful question. Yes. Now, what would you say in this situation?
Okay, if I have the capability, if I am financially stable now, so of course I will go for the nuclear, because I will arrange resources for my mother. Yeah.
This is one, two,
I'm not asking to you your financial. I'm just asking
What about
like
the comfort? What
your
about the love,
comfortable, your
compassion,
situation,
support?
your parents' love.
Like when somebody
Because
is trouble,
first of all, your parents,
Yes,
your
that's
first priority. Like you cannot say that your wife, because parents are like too much important in every person's life. That's why I'm asking. Yeah, I'm not asking your financial. I'm like asking your love, about your love.
Okay,
one to one. Okay.
Okay, of course, practically, and to be honest, if I am, I don't. First of all, I want to clear my point. I said that if I'm financially stable now, so I will go for the nuclear system, and I will put my wife alone, and I will put my mother alone, and I will try to make both happy and comfortable, and I will try to provide both them resources. First of all. But yeah, of course, if I don't have the resources, so maybe it was my compulsion. But it was my compulsion. No? I will not be happy to do that because.
Now, who wants to say something? You want to say something? Okay, cool.
Yes, I give you one example when father or mother beats kids. On that time, the grandparents or save them.
Okay, they support
support the kids.
their daughter, so that they prevent. Yeah, that's a brilliant point. Yeah.
And also grandparents take care so much about kids.
Yeah, this
kids.
is like nobody's talking about this. Like the way the discipline, they give them guidelines.
Yes.
Don't do that. Don't, because when you are outside, like this is a really difficult age.
Yes. When kids are come late in night, grandparents take care.
Yes, good.
And father mother don't have time.
Yes, this is
they are
very
all
difficult.
busy in
Both are, working.
daily routine, like going office or women's doing household work. That's why grandparents is the best. In joint family is very important nowadays life, because nowadays generation is not good, and they are going on a wrong way nowadays.
This is the really good point. Like a lot, like new young people are getting, they are involved in the crimes because they don't have, they don't have the support of their grandparents. Yeah,
Yes.
point. Yes.
Nowadays kids are playing video games and going outside and come late in night. But in joint family, everyone care about kids.
In joint family, you have to face so many problems because in joint
So
family.
many problems means so many problems. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah.
If we talk about food, mother-in-law said that I will eat this food, and father-in-law said that I will eat this food. But
Very
what
good,
about
yes.
daughter-in-law?
Wow. Yeah.
She just cooking and she's busy in cooking food, and
Entire day.
yes, she forget to what should I like, what should I want to eat. So this is the
this is
biggest
very point, very
yes.
point.
If you are like three brothers and they all think about same, like we should save our relationship. For save relationship, we should live with our wife and child. We should leave our parents for just save relationship. So what about your parents? They are alone. Now what do you want to say?
Yes, good. Yeah, alone, super alone. What do you say in this situation?
Okay, okay.
Kaisha.
First of all, I want to answer Rabia. Rabia, I think you should try Food Panda. So it will solve your problem, all right?
Food Panda will solve the problem?
Yeah, Rabia's problem.
Okay.
Okay, second thing is that Maria.
Again, problem. This is the problem of every single person, I think. Yes. But why people are getting separate? Because of this. Because they have to do a lot of work.
Sir, not yeah, of course, a lot of work, but I think that not about the work, about what should I say, that there are a lot of people who talk to you about multiple things, that don't do that and don't do that. What you should do that. You should take your relation like that, XYZ. Na? So okay, now I'm going to answer Maria. Maria, first of all, let me clear that if I am living the joint family, na, so even that I'm not be able to spend the time with my mother, and I'm not even they are alone, because most of the time will be spent in my office and in my job time. So if you will say that you have to spend your time with your mother, otherwise she will be alone. So she is alone even in the joint family, because don't have so much time, because I am earning with my wife, I am earning with my mother, I am earning with my brother for the whole home, and this competition will make me super busy. So if you think that in the joint family I can spend time with him, she can spend time with me, so it's even not possible in the joint family.
Okay, now who wants to say something? You wanna say something? Okay, cool.
I support the joint family.
Okay.
So the most important thing is in a joint family, they understanding each other.
Understanding. Wow, great. Yes.
Each other. If you face some problem, any problem, so everyone will help you.
Wow. Like
Help
if
you.
you have any kind of problem, they help you.
Yeah,
Good.
and at home is a mother, grandmother, grandfather have in the home. So if who will become on late, kids or get a mistake, so he will understanding. And she asking also why you are come late in the home. Is also he will please another time, so come for on time. So this is a man point. So this is very important.
Okay, so the most crucial point, another crucial point is that privacy. So there are some mothers, or there are some fathers, or there are some children that need some privacy, or sometimes they're sensitive just about their privacy issues. They're just about to save just to save their another look.
Another area of the problem.
Yes.
This is also the distraction in the life. So it means majorly we want freedom. We want like nobody should disturb us when we are going outside. We are in a party mood. We want to spend the time with someone, or we want to study something. Maybe someone wants to just become a doctor, and someone wants to become an engineer. So sometimes this is the desire of grandparents. Like, I want my grandson to be an engineer. So this is why they have to suffer a lot. This is also the problem. Okay, now I would like you to share with us just the last point, which you think is the crucial point that support your idea. Like, why should we live with the joint family, and why should we live with the nuclear family? Okay, so now who wants to say something? You. Okay.
I want to end my debate with the words, and I think this word will express my concern very better. First of all, every relation has an equal importance, and you can't put all the importance at the one relation. All right, if you are going to build a relation with someone else, so you have to prepare your mind, you have to prepare yourself that how can you operate that relation. Okay, I don't underestimate the value of parents. I don't underestimate the value of mother. Of course, my mother really worked hard for me in my past. Even I was nothing, so she carried me. My father, what he did for me, I can't pay this anymore. So if I can't provide the relaxable environment in my home, so then I have to call my my parents, my mother, my father, my brother, and make them sit, and then I will put my perspective in a very light way, and in a very announcement way, that now I'm going to create a distance just because of, in order to save the relationship. But I'm not going to end the relationship with you. You're all my lovable, and whenever you need me, I will be for you, and whenever I need you, you have to come for me. That's my concern, and that's my point. Because if you live in a joint family, so it's doesn't important that your mother and your father have the same ideology, have the same mindset as you or your wife have. Of course, every human being has a different mindset. Your father has a different mindset, your mother have a different mindset, and the personality who is coming from another house, of course she has maybe. Of course she has another mindset. So, and of course you have to maybe that you can make yourself regarding your father, regarding your mother, but how can you make another personality to come? How can you compare that just be like that, whatever my mother want, be like that? No, it can't be possible. So at that time, as a practical personality, and of course be practical, talk practical, as I believe that at one time when you feel that your relation is going to be end, because every relation has an equal value, and I deeply respect every relation. I don't think that a relation is very important and another is not. If you are going to build a relation, so you have to you are answerable to God and at the personality from which you promise that you will take care of this personality. So what will you answer at the day of Qiyamah? What did you give her? So that's why I think that in order to save, as I told, in order to save love in your heart, and in order to save the peace in your mind, in order to make your life easier, your parents, your father, your wife, and your life easier, you have to create a little bit distance. And I think this distance is called nuclear system. I don't think that breaking relation and just forget everyone, it's not a nuclear system. If anyone think that this is a nuclear system, so I will against on it. Thank you so much.
And I end my debate of this point that is comparing me to support joint family. living with her wife, with his wife and childs, and they think I am saving a relationship. That's why I'm living alone and without my parents. In my eyes, it's not fair. We can convince our wife, and we can convince also our mother, but we cannot. We should. In fact, we must not live without our parents. Okay, we can live without my brother, without sister, but we should not live without our parents, because we should give first priority to our parents. I don't know why, but in my point of view, this is too much important. Okay.
So I just want to end my debate with some points. As he said that every person and every personality has an equal rights and equal values. So as mother has equal rights, as wife has equal rights. So it's our right to to provide them equal and have a justice to them. So as I have shared many points regarding privacy, and also to save relations, your love for relatives and everyone. So we should have a established family, and maintain family, and we can get all this in a nuclear family. So thank you.
Last point is that if you see KPK states, a whole family are living together, and whole family are taking breakfast together. They have no problem. They are education also, and modern peoples also, but don't have any problem of to living in joint family.
My last point is that in joint family, our parents are giving love for other children is very difficult. So other children get jealous with others. This is the biggest problem in joint family. That's why I'm not supporting joint family.
My last point is that the best part of being in a joint family, you are always attached to your culture and tradition.